Welcome to my channel, Central Gear. If you are looking for the best new ultimate tactical knives, you are in the right place. I included all the link in video description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Zero Tolerance 0350 BW. The ultimate tactical folding knife for those who demand reliability, durability, and precision. This high-performance knife is built to handle the toughest tasks with ease. The 0350 BW features a partially serrated stainless steel blade with a sleek blackwashed finish, providing excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its assisted opening mechanism allows for quick and smooth deployment with just a flick of the thumb stud. The textured G10 handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. With its robust construction and solid liner lock, the Zero Tolerance 0350 BW is designed to withstand the harshest environments. Whether you're in the field, on duty, or simply need a dependable everyday carry knife, the Zero Tolerance 0350 BW is the ultimate choice. Experience the precision and reliability of Zero Tolerance and elevate your cutting game with the 0350 BW. Number 9. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. The epitome of a high-performance folding knife designed for tactical and everyday carry. Renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship and innovative features, the Paramilitary 2 is a true workhorse. Its CPMS 30V stainless steel blade boasts impressive sharpness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The signature thumb hole and reliable compression lock mechanism allow for smooth and secure one-handed operation. The ergonomic G10 handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, while the 4-position pocket clip provides versatile carry options. With its robust construction and precision engineering, the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 is built to excel in any cutting task. Whether you're on duty, in the field, or seeking a reliable everyday carry companion, the Paramilitary 2 is a trusted choice among knife enthusiasts worldwide. Experience the excellence of Spyderco and elevate your cutting performance with the Paramilitary 2. Number 8. K-Bar Becker BK2 Campanion. The ultimate survival and outdoor knife designed to tackle any challenge. This heavy-duty knife is built to withstand the harshest conditions and deliver exceptional performance. The BK2 Campanion features a robust 1095 Crovan steel blade with a versatile drop-point design, providing excellent strength, edge retention, and ease of sharpening. Its full tang construction and durable grivery handle ensure maximum durability and a secure grip in any situation. With a blade length of 5.25 inches and an overall length of 10.5 inches, it's the perfect size for a wide range of tasks, from bushcraft to campsite chores. Whether you're hunting, camping, or preparing for an emergency, the K-Bar Becker BK2 Campanion is your reliable companion. Embrace the legendary quality and reliability of K-Bar and elevate your outdoor adventures with the BK2 Campanion. Number 7. Gerber Propel AO. The ultimate assisted opening tactical knife designed for speed, reliability, and precision. This sleek and durable knife is built to excel in any tactical situation. The Propel AO features a partially serrated stainless steel blade with a black oxide coating, providing excellent cutting performance and corrosion resistance. Its spring-assisted opening mechanism allows for lightning-fast deployment with just a flick of the thumb stud. The textured G10 handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in challenging conditions. With its solid liner lock and plunge lock, the Propel AO provides reliable blade security during intense use. Whether you're on duty, in the field, or seeking a dependable everyday carry knife, the Gerber Propel AO is the ultimate choice. Experience the speed and precision of Gerber and elevate your cutting game with the Propel AO. Number 6. Benchmade Adamas. The ultimate tactical folding knife built to withstand the toughest conditions. This rugged and reliable knife is designed with durability and functionality in mind. The Adamas features a 3.82-inch D2 tool steel blade with a robust Tanto-style tip, providing exceptional strength and edge retention. Its axis lock mechanism ensures smooth and secure one-handed operation, while the textured G10 handle offers a comfortable and secure grip. With its full tang construction and integrated glass breaker pommel, The Adamas is prepared for any situation. Whether you're in the field, on a mission, or simply need a dependable everyday carry knife, the Benchmade Adamas is the ultimate choice. Experience the precision and reliability of Benchmade and elevate your cutting game with the Adamas. Number 5. Schrade SCHF59 Tactical Knife. A versatile and robust tool designed for tactical enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. This rugged knife is built to handle a variety of tasks with ease. The SCHF59 features a 7.3-inch high-carbon stainless steel blade with a durable black coating, offering excellent sharpness and corrosion resistance. Its full tang construction and textured TPE handle provide a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. With its drop-point blade design and partially serrated edge, it excels at slicing, cutting, and piercing tasks. The included thermoplastic sheath with a belt loop ensures easy and secure carrying. Whether you're camping, hunting, or preparing for emergencies, the Schrade SCHF59 Tactical Knife is your reliable companion. Experience the durability and versatility of Schrade and elevate your cutting performance with the SCHF59. Number 4. SOG Pentagon FX. A tactical fixed blade knife designed for precision and versatility in any situation. This rugged and reliable knife is built to excel in the most demanding environments. The Pentagon FX features a 5-inch AUS-8 stainless steel blade with a straight edge, providing exceptional sharpness and durability. Its full tang construction and textured cradle handle offer a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring precise control during intricate tasks. With its reinforced nylon sheath and belt loop, it can be easily carried and accessed when needed. Whether you're in the field, on a mission, or seeking a reliable outdoor companion, the SOG Pentagon FX is the ultimate choice. Experience the precision and reliability of SOG and elevate your cutting game with the Pentagon FX. Benchmade Claymore, the ultimate folding knife designed for tactical professionals and enthusiasts. This formidable knife combines rugged durability with exceptional cutting performance. The Claymore features a 3.6-inch CPMD2 steel blade with a versatile drop-point design, providing excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its ambidextrous Axidius assist mechanism allows for quick and smooth one-handed deployment, while the textured G10 handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip. With its solid liner lock and reversible deep carry pocket clip, it offers convenient and secure carry options. Whether you're on duty, in the field, or simply need a reliable everyday carry knife, the Benchmade Claymore is the ultimate choice. Experience the precision and reliability of Benchmade and elevate your cutting game with the Claymore. Number 2. 5.11 XPRT Folder. The ultimate folding knife designed for professionals who demand superior performance and reliability. This tactical knife is built to excel in the most challenging environments. The XPRT Folder features a 3.75-inch AUS-8 stainless steel blade with a modified Tanto design, providing exceptional strength and versatility. Its assisted opening mechanism allows for quick and effortless deployment with just a flick of the thumb stud. The textured G10 handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. With its solid liner lock and reversible pocket clip, it offers convenient and secure carry options. Whether you're on duty, in the field, or seeking a dependable everyday carry knife, the 5.11 XPRT Folder is the ultimate choice. Experience the precision and reliability of 5.11 Tactical and elevate your cutting game with the XPRT Folder. Number 1. CRKT M1610KZ Knife. A reliable and versatile folding knife designed for everyday carry and utility tasks. This compact and lightweight knife is built to deliver exceptional performance and durability. The M1610KZ features a 3-inch Tanto-style blade crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, providing excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its dual thumb studs allow for easy one-handed opening, while the automated liner safety ensures secure blade lockup during use. The textured glass-reinforced nylon handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet conditions. With its reversible pocket clip and integrated lanyard hole, it offers versatile carry options. Whether you're tackling everyday cutting tasks or need a reliable backup, the CRKT M1610KZ knife is the perfect companion.